Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we have a special treat, a delicious and nutritious postbiotic carrot smoothie recipe, packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and polyphenols. And of course, we add our Koso to support your gut health. This smoothie will surely become your new favorite. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We'll need 1 fresh carrot, half crisp green apple, a stalk of celery, 1/3 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of frozen mango. You can use ice instead of frozen mango if you are trying to watch your weight. As you probably already know, our Koso is made from a blend of over 100 kinds of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, herbs, mushrooms, and seaweed. It is fermented over 1 year in Japan. Ours also contain nutrients such as postbiotics, prebiotics, probiotics, polyphenols, and amino acids that support a healthy gut and overall well-being. If you prefer slightly sweeter option, you can use 2 tablespoons of ours Koso, or you can add 1 or 2 dates. Carrots are a nutritious vegetable that offers several benefits for gut health. Carrots are rich in dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining regular bowel movement and promoting overall digestive health. It adds bulk to stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive tract and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber acts as a prebiotics, which means it provides food for beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting their growth and diversity. Carrots also contain various antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and other phytonutrients. These antioxidants help protect our body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This smoothie is very simple to make as always. All you need to do is blend all the ingredients in the blender till smooth. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe our channel for more nutritious recipes and wellness tips. Stay healthy and hydrated with our Koso.